Dreams about kittens can reveal significant insights from your subconscious regarding your life, relationships, and career. Kittens symbolize innocence, inviting you to reconnect with childhood joys, while their presence can also signify new beginnings and opportunities ahead. Additionally, these dreams may reflect your intuition and spiritual growth, urging you to trust your instincts. Holding a kitten suggests you'll overcome challenges and find peace, while feeding one may symbolize feelings of love and support from others, encouraging gratitude in return. Conversely, dreaming of an injured or dying kitten can indicate feelings of anxiety or signify impending transformations. Such dreams may also highlight relationship issues, with kitten attacks representing conflicts that need resolution or caution regarding new acquaintances. Ultimately, dreams of kittens encourage self-reflection and the pursuit of personal goals, reminding you to stay mindful and aware of your surroundings.